All right, guys, not a lot of clues with this one. It's yellow and it has these little blue things on it. What is it?
I know what
that is.
Actually, I use this thing all the time. I try to use all my senses, all three of them.
Oh, you have three?
Yes. Sight, sound, and smell.
Oh, yeah.
In my industry, sometimes this is the one I have to use the most.
Ooh.
This is smell protection.
Wow. The plumber's best friend,
That's
huh?
right, right.
Absolutely.
I'm going in there.
Give me that. Give me that. That's not what it is.
Richard, do you know there's 6
Jeez, I can't believe it. You know, and I got to keep this clean from you. Never know where you've been. You know, it cost me a lot of money to look like this.
Oh.
Yeah, I bet.
A nice haircut. I use one of those Floby vacuum hair coupe. But this, what about this?
Oh, you got to trim that, yeah.
Trim that.
It looks great, though, Tom.
This is the nip and trim.
Nip and trim.
Oh.
I got right
Is this available on
and
the
look,
website?
I got nothing on me. If I do, I just vacuum it up.
Yeah.
Eyes too, does that?
Self-grooming.
I was wondering how you
It's a
kept that
hard-
thing in good shape, Magnum.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, there's a lot of wearable technology out
Yes.
there these days. People wear those wristbands so they can keep track of how many steps they take.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hear people even jog and they want to know how far.
Wow, that's
I know, right?
crazy.
Well, what if you just stand around all day nailing nails?
Yeah, what?
Swinging a hammer?
Swinging a hammer, right? Well, this is, so look at this, right here. See these 2 blue teeth right here?
Oh, don't tell me.
Bluetooth.
It's Bluetooth?
Okay. And then you put it around your wrist, okay? Oh, hang on a second. Roger, can you grab me a hammer while I get this tight little, oh yeah, there
You might
we
want to lose a
go.
little weight there, big boy.
All right, now with this little thing on right here, and you just start, it's counting.
Oh, really?
Yep, and then it ships all the information right. And look, because we know it's a lot of work, it's also a little rest. And you can just.
Oh, you're tired.
Oh boy, that was
You work so
wow,
hard.
that was a lot of
What do they
nails.
call that, baby?
It's so it's not a pedometer. It's a hamometer.
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 It also tells you how many ham sandwiches you eat.
Speaking of ham, give me
Too
that
bad
way
you
your
couldn't get it
hammer.
around your tongue.
Okay, it all starts with a camping trip. You're out in the woods all weekend.
Oh, yeah.
You got your ice, you got your beer, you got your venison, maybe even get, a fish a cat or a wild mountain
Yeah.
lion.
Don't forget
Yeah.
the beer.
Yeah.
Get home and look, slimy, rotten crew, right?
That's
Very cool.
You're
disgusting.
taking clothes to cover up. What happens inside there?
It's gonna
Mold.
get slimy.
Mold.
Lot of it
Terrible.
Happens
So what you
inside,
do
stays inside.
is you put this on and it acts as a vent. Now, when you close your cooler,
Wow.
all those nasty fumes come out
That
and you're
is
ready to go out again next weekend.